How to fix DLL error in Windows 11. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, you want to go ahead and in the search bar search for Task Manager, or you can simply right click on the Start button and then tap Task Manager from here. Once you open the Task Manager, go ahead and tap on Run New Task, then tap on Browse. So you simply want to go ahead and press on this PC, then go to your C drive, then simply go ahead and tap on Windows. So once you're inside Windows, go ahead and select System32 file, open it, and inside here you want to go ahead and search for CMD. So go ahead and search for it, and once you search for it, go ahead and open it up. Now once the cmd.exe is selected, you want to go ahead and select this option that says Create this docs with administrative privilege. Go ahead and tap on OK. And just like so, inside here, you want to go ahead and type in sfc /scan now. Now once done, simply press enter. So this process will take some time. You gotta be patient with it. Once it is completed, simply type in exit. So once you exit the command prompt in the search bar, go ahead and search for CMD. Right click onto it, then tap on Run as Administrator. Now once you're here again, you want to go ahead and type in GP update. So go ahead and press enter. And just like so, once the update is done, you want to go ahead and head back to your home screen, tap on the start icon, and simply restart your PC. And just like so, it will solve your issue. That ends the video guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.